gonna play with the Legos? No, Papa, don't eat it. Don't eat it. People have been touching it. Don't eat that. You like them? Oh, watch out. You'll step on this. Thank you. It's a blue one. That's a blue one. And that's a blue one. And this is a red one. See the red one? Yeah, red. Red, blue. Don't eat it. No, don't eat it. Let's show you a tie. Show Uncle Mark your cute little outfit. See, he has this little tie. We're loving that. And down on the ground we go. Let me see that piece of smuts. No, 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 Papa. No, 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 no. Yeah.
Okay. Playing with it, you cannot take it away from it. No, 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 you're too bold. You know?
No, Papa, don't eat that. Here. No, don't eat that. You can eat your truck. That's all yours.
Yes. You can say hi, but that's his car, and he's allowed to eat that one. Yeah, you can say hello. He's very cute. You can say hello.
Papa. Come here. Let Mommy clean you. You look a hot mess.
You are all messed up. You are all messed up. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. But you are cute. Yes. And he's going to keep that because that has his lunch all over it, too.
Come here. Let Mommy clean you.
You had your lunch.